Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I make this delicious hummus chicken wrap, guys. It is so good and it's so easy and quick to make, y'all, and you don't need too much ingredients at all. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys everything from start to finish. Please, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get into it. So to make this wrap, all you need is a couple of ingredients. You don't need a lot, and most of these things are optional, so I'm gonna get into it real quick. So we've got our chicken breast right here. This is my chicken breast. It's still a little bit frozen, which I like to start with because, you know, when it's like that, it's easy to cut. But yeah, you need your chicken breast. You need your wrap, of course. I've only got a couple of these left. I've only got 3 left. By the way, I just realized that you have to peel it here so you can reseal it. I had no idea, guys. Okay. And you obviously need your hummus to make this recipe. This is the key right here. I have 1 onion, some tomatoes, a cucumber, and I've got my iceberg lettuce. It's open because I used some already. And yeah, guys, I've also got this scotch bonnet pepper, and this is optional. You obviously don't need to use this, but I like mine quite spicy, so this is why I'm using this. But you can add any spice that you like, jalapenos, you know, stuff like that. And last but not least, we've got some vinegar, guys. I know it looks a bit crazy, but I've had this for a little while. I don't usually use vinegar, but it came in really handy this time. And yeah, I'll let you guys know why we're using this very soon. So guys, let's get into prepping everything. Okay guys, so to start off with, I'm gonna cut my chicken into little pieces, and like I said already, it's a bit frozen, which I like because it's a little easier to cut. It's just not all soft and soggy. It's like nice to, you know, just go into it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah guys, I'm just cutting these in like little cubes or rectangles, just little pieces, okay? Okay guys, so now that my chicken is cut and washed, I'm gonna go ahead and season it. Add in some salt. I'm also gonna add in some Maggi cube. If you know, you know. I'm gonna add in some garlic, some ginger. Ginger me. Nothing you do, you ginger me. Yeah. And I'm gonna add in some black pepper. Okay. Oh, and lastly, guys, I'm gonna add in some lemon. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice in there. So after doing all that, you wanna mix it up. You can use your hands if you want to, but yeah, I know some of you guys are weird, so I'm just gonna use a spoon. And I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple of minutes while I prep my vegetables. So let's get it. So I'm gonna start by cutting my lettuce into small pieces. They are pretty much cut, but I want them to be a little smaller, so I'm just gonna cut them up. And honestly, you don't need too much lettuce. It's up to you really, however much you want, but You really don't need too much, guys. Next, I'm gonna cut some cucumber. One of my favorite, guys. I love cucumber so much. And not too thick. Not too thick, guys. Like, you know. Next, I'm gonna cut some onions. I'm gonna cut these into strips. And for my tomatoes, I'm gonna cut them into like circles. Same as the cucumber, not too thick. Last but not the least, guys, I'm gonna cut my Scotch bonnet pepper just into small pieces because you don't want to chew a big bit of this. It's really gonna make it spicy. You want to make sure it is in small pieces so that it kind of spreads everywhere. The bigger it is, it's gonna be spicy, guys. If it's too big and you chew it, good luck. Good luck to you. And guys, there it is. My vegetables are all done. I've got my lettuce, my Scotch bonnet pepper, my tomatoes, my cucumber, and onions. If you don't like it spicy, then definitely skip this because, yeah, say no more. Okay, now guys, remember I told you guys that you want to have some vinegar? I basically want to make some pickles. I actually like the way it tastes when I make it at home, but if you guys want to buy some and add it to your recipe, then surely go ahead and do that. White vinegar is recommended, but I haven't got white vinegar, and this is the only vinegar that I had at home, so I'm gonna use what I have to get what I want. Okay, so let's make some pickles. Just fill your bowl with this vinegar, and this is gonna take a while, guys. So now you want to add a teaspoon of salt, and you also want to add a teaspoon of sugar. Now all you want to do is add your onions. I'm gonna make some pickled onions. You can also use red onion for this, which will be really nice as well. And just add your cucumber as well. And yeah, guys, there you have it. You've made some pickles. So you're just gonna let that sit for a few minutes, maybe 30 minutes, while you prep your chicken. So guys, let's do that. Alright guys, so my electric skillet has been heating up for a while now, and I added some oil in there too. So now it's time to make our chicken. So I'm just gonna add that in there. So guys, now that the chicken's ready, you want to let it cool down a little bit. As you guys can see, it's super hot. The smoke is coming out of it. You don't want it to be that hot in your wrap, otherwise your lettuce is gonna melt, your tomatoes is gonna cook. You know, just let it be warm but not hot, okay? So I'm gonna let that cool down, and we're finally gonna make our wrap.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, so everything is ready for the wrap to be made. My chicken is cooled down, my hummus is here, my pickles are pickling. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna start to make the wrap. I don't have a specific order to do this, but it's just whatever my eye sees, I just pick it up and I add it in there. But guys, do it whatever you want. Again, like I said before, just be creative with it. Just do your thing, enjoy it however you want it. You know, that's what this is all about. Alright guys, so after you finish making your wrap, you want to toast it a little bit. And once again, I'm using my electric skillet, guys, to toast it. I know everything is kind of falling apart. I did stuff this wrap quite a lot than usual. Guys, I don't usually make it so big, but I don't know why today I just made it so big. Alright guys, so I'm done making the food and this is how it's looking. It's looking so good. I can't wait to dive in, you guys. So guys, that is it for my chicken hummus wrap. Okay, I tried to make it really presentable, as you guys can see, but it was a little hard. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys try this, please let me know how it tastes, and if you did your own thing, please let me know as well, so maybe I can try it. Leave it in the comment box, or guys, you can send me pictures on my Instagram, you know, tag me on pictures. And if you're not following me on Instagram already, guys, please follow me. It is on the screen right now. And guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share it with other people so they can try this as well. And I really hope you guys have a lovely, lovely day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.